Hi guys! I'm excited to show you something. So I got this during the time that we went to Nijigen no Mori. It is a theme park in Awaji Island. Ang ibig sabihin daw nito is two-dimensional forest. And in this theme park, meron siya iba-ibang klaseng theme park, such as the Naruto Park. There also is this Demon Slayer Park, and others like Godzilla, and Time Quest, etc. So we were very fortunate to be able to go to the Naruto Park and the Demon Slayer Park, and we also had the night tour, night walk rather, ng Demon Slayer, wherein we were provided or given this gift. Yan, yung ating fan, kasama siya doon. There is also this notebook that they give it out to you. And especially pag natapos nyo yung night walk, meron silang binibigay na limited edition cards. Okay? And also, there is this symbol or logo ng bawat Hashira sa bawat station nila. Because there is 9 stations that you need to walk through. And each station, nandun yung pictures nung ating mga Hashira together with a free na flyers nila na that shows their logo. And what's nice, again, when you finish the trail, you get this cards. Limited lang siya doon sa theme park na yan. And the first one that we have is Shinobu Kocho. Yan. That we got. Yan. And also, we also got Tengen Uzui. Yan. Ang ating sound Hashira. Yan. Ayaw niyo tumayo. Yan. And also, we got Rengoku Kyojuru. Sana tamang pronunciation ko ng kanilang name. Ayan. We have Mitsuri Kanjuri. Yan. Sorry. Bulol ako mag-Japanese ng name nila. Ang ating Love Hashira. And also, we have Giyu Tomoka. Okay. Giyu Tomoka. Ating Water Hashira. Yan. And syempre, we also have our Miss Hashira na si Muichiro Tokito. Yan. There we go. Also, we have Obanai Iguru. Yan, ang ating Serpent Hashira. And also, we have our Wind Hashira, Sanime Shinazugawa. And lastly, we have Gyome Himejima. Yan. This is one of my favorite Hashira. Yung ating rock Hashira. Yan. So all in all, they have 9 cards, but you cannot request it kasi ito yung catch nun. So, di ba nga, pag start nyo, they would be giving you this notebook, and wala lang akong fluorescent light. When you tapat mo to sa fluorescent light, magkakaroon siya ng symbol. And based on that symbol, yung mga symbols na yan, nakikita nyo dito, yun yung card na makukuha nyo. And this is given randomly during the time that you are going to buy the ticket for the Demon Slayer Night Walk. Diba? Astig. So, it was a very fun experience with the night walk. Pero kung magna-night walk kayo, make sure na maganda yung shoes nyo for walking kasi medyo trail walk talaga siya. Medyo mahaba siya. It took us almost an hour to complete the walk. And pa-up and down siya sa mountain talaga. So, It's inside the forest and it's very, very nice. So sa mga gustong matry to, you just need to go to Nijigen no Mori theme park, and it's in Awaji Island in Osaka. So anyone, thank you for watching the video, and till next time guys, and have fun.